How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be a look back at a vintage build I did a few years ago, and I just thought y'all would enjoy that. Right now I just not had time to finish up the shop truck build, and I don't have time to finish up anything else or start anything else right now, which y'all know I'll be going to New York here real soon, and going to see the grandkids and son and his wife and everything and stuff. So I've been very busy, and worked 12-hour days. And I just seen Paul from Styrene Relics, and he was talking about working 12-hour days, and it's been very busy, and he ain't had time for videos and this and that. Well, guys, it's been about the same way here. And then my phone took a crap on me. And speaking of Styrene Relics, guys, get over there. I don't have a shop card for him, but get over there and subscribe to him. He is a hell of a builder. Great guy. Go check him out, and I'll leave the link below, okay? And before we get this video going, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go round. Tap that bell, what the hell. Alright, guys. And, you know, it's free too, guys. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. I'm not asking nothing from you. I don't ask for money, videos. I don't ask for Patreon. I don't ask for anything. Just like and enjoy the hobby. And if you're not a model builder, pick up a model and start building. You know, it's all learning process, and we are all still learning every day. All right, let me shut my mouth and show you what I got going on. All right, this here is a 1968 issue. It's a double set. It's a combo set. It's an AMT. And my buddy George, y'all see that I go to his house all the time, and we've been friends forever. He's got this exact set, and he's got 2 or 3 other AMT double sets that were actually Heller kits. Both of these were actually Heller kits from France. And he's got this issue still in the box, and then he's got the Bravum and something else, a little Formula B, Formula Y. I'm talking out my butt. I don't really know Indy cars, whatever they are. He's got a couple of sets of stuff like that and everything. And this is the only one I have, and I built this years ago. And like I said, this was the first one is a Alpine A210, and that was a Le Mans car. And then the second one is a Renault Gordini R8 1300 rally car. And then of course the Alpine's a Renault too. I didn't think to tell you all that, but this is very cool kit. Like I said, this is the only time it was ever in this box art. The rest of the time, it was in the Heller box art because these are Heller kits. But I guess back in the day, they did some kit sharing and everything. But this is the only one you'll get in an AMT box like this. There's the side of the box. You can see carries on from the box art. Same on the side here. You can see that Alpine A210 authentic 124 scale model kit. And you can tell that is not AMT originally because it had been 125, not 124. This kit number is T418. There is the Gordini. I think the other side of the box is the same way. Oh no, it shows the Alpine engine. Let me get that in focus there. There's the Alpine A210 engine. Soft plug wires. Yes, it comes with plug wires. Renault 1500cc double overhead cam engine. And then here is your soft vinyl seats, detailed tube chassis, molded in France. You can see that right there. So that right there is packaged in the USA. So that right there shows you it is the Heller kit. Let's see what the other side. The other side is the Gordini. Features of the Gordini R8. Soft vinyl seats, detailed suspension, vinyl racing tires, Renault 4-cylinder 100 horsepower engine, dual carburetors, competition exhaust. Cool. Very nice kit, guys. Very nice kit. If you ever get a chance, get them. Even pick up the Heller kit if you can't pick up this AMT kit. Here's the instructions for them. Let me move this box kind of out of the way. This was for the R8 Gordini Type 1300 Rally. You can see it folds out like this. It's got your parts list. It's got your number 1, starting your front suspension. Number 2, your engine. 3 would be, of course, this is rear engine, so your back where your engine goes. 4 is your independent rear suspension. 5 is putting in your wheel wells and your wheels. 6 is your interior windows and your mirror. Let's go down here to 7, get this in frame here. 7 is your hinges, which I don't think I was able to get my hinges to work. I broke them. There you go. Number 9, that's your dash. You know, you guys get the gist. I ain't gonna go over it all. There's a 11, pretty much final assembly. You know, of course, it's got a roll bar in it and stuff like that. That's that side of it. That's the Gordini side of it. And then you can see how old it is by these instructions. They're falling apart. And this is your Alpine. There's your engine, your plug wires. And what was cool about this, you had to make your own springs. It come with the wire. You had to bend them. Kind of complicated. I mean, it ain't complicated, but it is, I guess, if you've never done it before. Your wheel inserts. There's your front suspension, your front tubes, for your frame, tubular frame, you know. There's your all your rally lights or fog lights, or whatever you want to call them, stuff like that. Shows the, oh, I just moved my camera, guys. Sorry about the shakiness. There is the petition, the back off for the mid-engine. This is mid-engine. So that sits behind the driver. You can see right there, just very cool kits, guys. Very cool kits. Like I said, you ever get a chance, go out and get you one. Let me put this out here. And let's show you the Gordini first. There she is. That is the Alpine. This was such an old kit, and I didn't mess with the glass. It has marks and scuffs all over the glass. I didn't polish. I got glue on that one. These were vintage kits. It has tire marks on it. I mean, like I said, these were the original kits. There's nothing I'll take to a car show, model show. This just sits on my shelf, so I didn't care. Like I said, these have been reissued in the Heller box art. So if I ever want to do it again, I'll just get the Heller kit and redo it. But for now, this looks good, just sitting on my shelf. Good conversation piece. Let you see there is the engine, the dual carbs, the wires that come with that. There's the little wheels. Yeah, suspension. It's supposed to turn, but for some, oh, there it goes. It's trying to turn. It's supposed to turn, guys. It really is. It's been on there so long, it's just stuck. So there's the bottom end of the car. There's really not a lot of detail to it, guys. Very fun little kit. There's the front. I can't hardly show you the inside. It comes with let's see. No, I put seat belts. That's just seat belt decals I put in it. You ain't gonna be able to see in there. It's so nasty. The glass is. But that's the first one, and here's the hood. You can see through the bonnet, hood, whatever you want to call it, deck lid. Move that one out of the way. And this one here, that is your A210 Alpine. Matter of fact, that's the predecessor to this Alpine. That's the A110, I think. Y'all tell me if I'm wrong. But very cool wheels on this one. You can see the front. Good Le Mans car. I'd like to do this one over again for sure. I think I could do a lot better job than what I did with it. But it is what it is. It's not going to no car shows. There's the engine in there. I do a lot better job detailing engines now than what I did then. There's the inside of that. You can't really see the interior. This one I wish I'd had build pictures back in the day. Of course, I need to just do it over again, but they're vintage kits. They're from 1968, so what's that, 54 years old, 53 years old, somewhere around in there. They're pretty old kits. And the tooling's been around for a long time. But very nice kit. If y'all ever get a chance, pick these up. Very cool. They'll probably never come back, as far as I know. They won't come back in AMT more than likely. Move this over here. But there you go, guys. Let me see. Let y'all get a picture of it in front of the... Let me move this off this camera stand thing. And there she is. One last look around. Box. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.